to our class about reducing stress and relaxing your body. Let's dive right in. So we separate our feet a little wider than shoulder width apart. Feel solid in your stance and balanced. Now we're going to coordinate movement with breath, and we start exhaling and sinking. And what sinks here is the middle area, or what we call the lower dantian. So we sink, and then we turn our hands outward as if we were scooping energy, positive energy out of the earth, lifting that energy up with an inhalation, and then pulling down positive energy from the heavens with an exhalation. Palms are facing down. So let's repeat that. Inhale, hold the breath, and then exhale down. Nice and slow. Good. And one more time. In breath and out breath. Now with the same movements, let's use our focused intention, what the Chinese ancients called the yi, or the intention of your mind. And let's move out negative energy, negative qi from our body and replace it with positive energy. Let's keep that thought. Let's picture the positive energy coming in as a golden ball of light, and the negative energy that's going to come out of us, say, is a dark gray color. So let's begin the same way. We sink, turn the palms up, draw the arms with an inhalation upward and an exhalation downward. Here's where we fill with positive energy, pushing out the negative. Let's repeat that. Breathe in. Grab the energy from the earth. Now we grab it from the heavens, filling our bodies as if you were bringing the energy in through the top of your head and guiding it down with your hands downward throughout every pore of your body. Again, we're going to pick up that positive energy from the heavens and the earth and bring it in as if it was coming through the top of your head, filling every pore of your body and pushing out the negative energy. So it's inhale and exhale. Let's do one more. The idea here is the focused intention. So we draw the positive energy out of the earth, we bring it down out of the heavens, we have it come through the top of our heads, and we guide it downward, filling ourselves with this positive energy and pushing out the negative energy through the bottoms of our feet. One more time. Inhalation, filling our body with this fresh chi, this golden elixir, to help us be healthy and happy. Good. Now, the next phase of this would entail the same movements, but this time I'd like to add a relaxation guide for you throughout. So let's begin the same way. We sink, turn the hands outward, lift the energy up. The palms come down as you start to exhale. Now start to relax the muscles in your face here. And relax the top of your torso, the lungs, the heart, down through the mid-torso, relaxing all the organs of your body, getting the tightness out. So soften the body here, relax, soften, good. And one more time, this time a little slower. Let's mindfully now relax the muscles in the face and the neck, down through the heart and the chest, all the way out to the fingers here, relaxing, softening, getting the tightness out, down through the important organs in your body, down through the legs into the earth. And one more time. Relaxing, softening, releasing any joints or muscles that are tight. Even when we get down to the stomach, just let it go. Don't suck it in, just let it go. Good. And now the next sequence will entail same movements coming up, same breathing. But this time imagine yourself as an evergreen in the middle of winter, full of ice and snow. And the ice and snow represent the tension and stress that you may be holding. So as the hands come down with an exhalation, we're melting away that tension and stress, that worry and anger, that disappointment and distress. Just pushing it out through the bottom of our feet, using our focused intention. Then we come up again, repeating. So you're that evergreen now. As the hands come in front of the face, we relax the muscles of the face and we feel the tension just sort of dissipating. We feel that anxiety just sort of fading away. The worry, the anger, the things that aren't going as you hoped they would. Those bad feelings just melt away. And one last time. Inhale up. Remember, you're the evergreen here with the ice and snow, so let's melt the ice and snow away as they represent negative energy, tension and stress, anxiety, disappointment, good job. Well, that's a wrap, as they say, for this little chi permeating exercise. Use it when you feel the need to release all the pent-up negative emotions that you may be holding in. It has worked for us for many, many years, and we hope you give it a try. Hey, and don't forget, be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't so far. Be sure to tap the notification bell to be alerted of new videos that will be coming out. Help us grow by telling your friends about us. We appreciate that very much. So we close just as we began by honoring you and your spirit as we say Namaste.
Namaste.